So we've just finished the wheels now. The customer's on about picking those up. They're going on an M2 and he's got quite a lot of mods going on it. So the next thing we're on with today, I'm actually doing my own car for a change. I've got the GT4 in. We're going to do an oil change on this. It's been stood for a couple of years really. It's only been out once or twice. I think it did 400 miles in a year on the MOTs. So there's a few bits I want to check over on this. We're going to give it a good service. And then it needs a clean, because it's absolutely vile, it's disgusting. A couple of things I'm also going to look at is the steering wheel. It's gone really disgusting. It's Alcantara, it's not me, I don't get in it dirty. I just don't think I've ever cleaned it properly since owning it, because it really isn't a car that I've actually used. So I'll show you that in a minute, and we'll try and do like a before and after, because it really does need a good clean, but so does the car. Cleaning the steering wheel on the GT4, which I've got to be honest, I didn't think was dirty. It's the car that obviously I don't use. I wash my hands constantly when I get in. I actually have a pack of baby wipes, don't have for when I get in, because it's Alcantara, and this is the dirt that I'm actually getting off the steering wheel. Now I don't think the camera's going to show you the true difference in the two sides. I've just basically split it down the middle to clean it. I don't think the camera is going to actually show you the real difference, but it's a completely different colour. It's got all the texture back, it feels soft again. This side here, it's just rough and dirty, and to be honest, it feels awful to drive. I think that's why I kind of didn't enjoy driving it yesterday. It just doesn't feel clean at all. This side now is actually soft, like just like velvet all over again, and you can actually see the texture. Again, I don't know if the camera's going to show it, but you can actually see the texture changing colour as I'm basically rubbing it different ways. So I'm going to give this side a really good clean. I'm going to go all over it again. All we're basically using is renovation leather cleaner. I've given the car a quick wash over. I'm just going to do the tyres, and then I will do a bit of a montage on this car just to show you how clean it really does look, because people don't get to see this car often.